Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare TAILSCALE and WireGuard. TAILSCALE and WireGuard are both tools for creating secure, encrypted VPN connections, but they differ in setup and usability. TAILSCALE is a super easy way to create your private network between devices, no matter where they are. It's built on the fast and secure WireGuard protocol, but adds a friendly layer on top. You don't need to mess with IPs or firewall settings, just log in and your devices connect like magic. It's great for remote workers, developers, or teams who need to access their computers or services securely. TAILSCALE handles key management and encryption automatically. You can even share access with others safely using your Google, Microsoft, or GitHub account. WireGuard is a fast, secure, and lightweight VPN protocol that helps you create encrypted connections between devices. It's known for its simplicity, with clean code that's easy to audit and trust. Unlike older VPNs, it's quick to set up and performs well even on slower networks. You'll need to manually manage keys and configs, which gives you more control but takes a bit more effort. Developer and tech-savvy users love it for its speed and reliability. It works on many platforms like Linux, Windows, macOS, and mobile. Overall, TAILSCALE is better for ease of use and team networking, while WireGuard is better for custom setups and raw performance. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.